Next question. Two wires are made of the same material and have the same volume. The first wire has cross-sectional area A and second wire has cross-sectional area 3A. If the length of the first wire is increased by delta L on applying a force F, how much force is needed to stretch the second wire by the same amount? Now coming to the solution. So for wire 1, this is the equation delta L equals to F over AY into 3L. So this will be the equation 1. Similarly for wire 2, F test over 3A equals to Y into delta L over L. So this is the equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we are getting delta L equals to F over AY equals to 3L equals to F test over 3AY equals to L. Right, so we can equate them. So after simplifying it, we are getting F test equals to 9F. So option 1 is the right answer.